Hi guys, today we are going to see in this video how to verify game data on Steam. First, open the Steam application. Now go to the library section and click on the game you to verify. Now click on this settings icon and click on properties. Or simply right-click on the game and click on properties. Now click on Installed Files. Now click on Verify Integrity of Game Files there. Here you can see validating. Now we are waiting for this process to complete. Now you have successfully verified the game. If this video helped you, please subscribe to our channel.